Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Creative Abhyas. In my last video, I shared with you to know about our cutlery, how to hold and use our cutlery, the different ways of dining and also the bread and butter etiquette. In this video, I would like to share with you certain do's and don'ts which we need to follow at the time of dining. So if someone has invited you for dining, that person is your host. Wait for your host to sit and start, and the host will sit and start only when all the people who are invited have joined in. That is the time everyone begins with their meals. If you are seated at the table waiting for others to join in or for your food to be served, do not play with the cutlery displayed on the table. You can have a sip of water if you wish to, but other than that, do not try to touch the cutlery which is placed on the table unnecessarily. Just sit simply without touching anything on the table as such. Once your food is served, taste your food first and then only season it if you need to add some salt or pepper to it or any other seasoning which goes with your food, but never without tasting the food try to add salt or pepper to your food. That's kind of rude to the host who has invited you or the chef who has cooked the food. And if someone on the table asks you to pass salt or pepper, it's a rule to pass salt and pepper together. And it's always polite to pass the dishes which are placed close to you to the other diners sitting next to you. Always offer to others before serving yourself, and always pass from your right side. If someone on the table asks you to pass the bread basket or the chapati or anything which is served in a dish or in a basket, always offer the basket to the person. Never try to hold a slice of bread and pass it with your hands to the person. Let the person take it with their own hands, and you do not touch the bread or the chapati with your hand before while passing it. Also, do not stretch your arm to pick up something, some dish across the other diner. Instead, ask the other person sitting next to you, saying politely, "Could you please pass me some pasta or rice or bread," or whatever the case may be. Also, do not hold your cutlery while talking to people in between. This means in my last video I showed you how to rest your cutlery. So rest your cutlery in between if you want to talk to people. Avoid doing this while talking and in between to the people and showing your knife or the fork in your hand and pointing it out and then talking. You know, this happened and then I said this, he told me this. No, this is not the right way. Rest your cutlery in your plate and then talk to people in between the meals. Last but not the least, if you need to use the toothpick at the table, do it very discreetly, covering your mouth. Otherwise, if you can avoid, just avoid it. But at all, if you need to do, always cover your mouth and then use it very discreetly, and just after using it, keep it to the side of your plate without getting much noticed. So these are little things which we need to keep in mind while we are dining with others. I hope this will be helpful to you. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Leave comments if you wish to. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day ahead.